Hi friends! Ever feel like your feelings are bubbling up? Maybe you're mad or worried and it's all just a bit too intense. That's totally okay. Those big feelings happen to all of us. Today we're going to show you one simple cozy trick to calm your brain and body. We call it hot cocoa breathing. Close your eyes for a moment. You can keep them open too. And imagine you're holding a warm mug of hot cocoa. It's sweet and cozy. Maybe it even smells like marshmallows. You're feeling the warmth in your hands. That cozy feeling helps your brain know it's safe to relax. All right, let's breathe together. Now breathe in slowly through your nose, like you're smelling the cocoa. Mmm. When you breathe in slowly, it sends a signal to your brain that it's safe. You might feel your heart beginning to soften. Maybe your shoulders relax a little. Now gently blow out through your mouth like you're trying to cool the cocoa. Whoo! Blowing out slowly can help your body relax even more. It's like letting the steam drift away. Notice how your muscles might feel softer. Let's do 3 rounds together. Ready? Breathe in, smell the cocoa. Breathe out, cool it down. Breathe in, smell the cocoa. Breathe out, cool it down. And one more time. Breathe in, smell the cocoa, and breathe out. Cool it down. I feel calmer already, like my mind is quieter and my body is softer. You can use hot cocoa breathing when you're angry, worried, or just need a break. It's quick and you can do it anywhere. Parents and teachers, this works for you too. Try it before a meeting, during a stressful moment, or to help a child reset. It's calming for everyone. So remember, smell the cocoa, blow to cool it down. It's a simple and fun way to calm big feelings. Every time you use it, you're helping train your brain to stay calm and feel strong. Thanks for watching. If you like this trick, subscribe to NeuroNurture for more brain-friendly tips made for you by us.